Welcome to BestusefulTips. In this tutorial, I will show you top 15 hidden feature for your Google Pixel 7a devices. In first, enable adaptive alert vibration. By go to settings, scroll down, tap on a sound and vibration. Now again scroll, tap on a vibration haptic. Again scroll down. Here you can see adaptive alert vibration. Toggle on this feature. It will helpful to reduce vibration strength while your Google Pixel is in the screen face. In next, enable the flash notification by go to settings, tap on a notification, scroll down. Here you can see flash notifications, tap on it. Now you can see camera flash and screen flash. Toggle on camera flash or screen flash. You can also view preview how looks like. You can also change camera screen flash color. Here select the color you want to set, tap on a done. Now view the preview. It's quite useful feature. Next, enable or disable double line clock on your device. I go to settings, scroll down, tap on a display, now scroll down, tap on a lock screen. Here you can see double line clock option. You can enable, disable this. If you want to change the lock screen clock position, you can use this double line clock on your Pixel device. Next settings, you can enable quick tap gesture. I go to settings, scroll down, tap on a system, tap on a gestures. Now tap on a quick tap to start action. Using this double tap gesture, you can quickly take screenshot by double tap on the back of your phone. Now go back and double tap the back of your phone to take a screenshot like this. You can also use other function like access your digital assistant, play or push media, see recent apps, enable flashlight. Also choose particular app if you want to quickly access by double tap it. The next, you can use smart storage to free up space on your device. To use smart storage, open the Google File app on your Pixel device. Tap on a three horizontal line at top left. Tap on a settings. Here you can smart storage. Toggle on it. It will automatically delete the media backup file within 16 days. In the next, you can show or hide media on the lock screen by go to settings, scroll and sound and vibration, scroll down, tap media. Here you can see in media player or show media on lock screen. Just toggle on it to show media on your lock screen. Next, you can individually set app language by go to settings, scroll down, tap on a system, tap on a languages. Here you can see app languages option, tap on it. Now select the app and choose a language you want to set particular app. In the next method, you need enable adaptive sound by go to settings, sound and vibration, scroll down. Here you can see adaptive sound. Make sure to toggle on it. It will helpful to improve your sound quality using your phone speaker. In the next settings, you can use now playing feature to automatically identify song by go to settings, sound and vibration, scroll down, tap on now playing, or toggle on identifying song playing nearby you. It will automatically recognize the nearby song on your device. You can also enable show search button on lock screen. Also see now playing history available on your list. Why useful feature to automatically identify songs on your Google Pixel devices. In the next method, you can use power button to launch Google Assistant by go to settings, apps, tap on assistant, scroll down, tap on hold power for your assistant. By default, show the power menu when you long press the power button. Now choose a digital assistant. Now long press the power button. You can see launch the assistant. It's quite useful feature to quickly launch Google Assistant on your pixels. In the next, you enable car crash detection by go to settings, scroll down, tap on safety and emergency. Here you can see car crash detection. Toggle on it. Here we can't enable because our country can't supported this feature. So make sure your country supported this feature to enable it. The next method, you can enable live caption to automatically recognize speech by go to setting, tap on a sound and vibration. Now tap on a live caption. It will automatically caption the speech whenever you speak. You can also see other live caption in volume control. Also enable caption call. Just press the power volume up or volume down button and you can quickly enable or disable live caption here using this button. Next method, you can use one-handed mode by go to settings, scroll down, tap on a system, tap on a gestures. Here you can see one-handed mode. Just toggle on it. Here you can see two ways. If you use full screen gesture, full screen into reach, press show notification option here. You can also create a app shortcut to quickly access a one-handed mode on your device. In the last method, you can enable bedtime mode by go to settings, scroll down, tap on a digital well-being and parental controls. Here you can see bedtime mode, tap on it. Now tap on a turn on now. Here you can select schedule to automatically turn on bedtime. Also customize other setting for bedtime, do not disturb and other setting. That's it. If you like it, share it. And don't forget to mention which method or which tips and tricks you like most. If you know any other tips, please share with us in the below comment box.